Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have a synthetic half wig for you guys. It's not exactly a revisit, but it kind of is. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. So I have a campaign today that I'm filming, and I wanted to wear an easy wig. So I'm going to wear Outre's Penny 26 inch. So I originally reviewed Penny back in 2015, the original one, but this one is longer. I have worn this already. I wore it last summer and it was just so cute. So I did posted a makeup video on TikTok and Instagram. I didn't post my hair, and some people wanted to see how that looks. So this is what the wig looks like. It's not fresh out the pack. I've had this for a while. I love that it has these curly ends, and I hope you guys can really see that. It's just so pretty and looks realistic. It has a longer comb in the front, a comb, some of the hair is matted around that comb, a comb in the back, and adjustable straps as well. So I have my hair braided going to the back, and I might have to take some of my hair out, more than just my edges. But we'll see how much hair I need to take out to make this work. Because with half wigs, I can get away with this with a lace wig. With half wigs, they got that thick bump at the beginning. So we'll see if I got to take out any more hair. So I'm just kind of lifting out a little bit more. We'll see what we can make shake. Because really and truly, yes, leave out can like give you damage to your hair and everything. But it just looks so much more natural than lace. And I'm going to say synthetic lace because the M-cap lace on the human hair wigs looks amazing in real life. But I wore Leomi and she looked great like in pictures and everything. But when I wore her out, the lace was not looking real. It was looking fake. And that's a beautiful wig, but it's like that synthetic lace was like just too thick and not thin enough to conceal, so it was looking crazy in real life. So the next time I wear Leomi, it'll probably be behind my hairline. See if this is enough hair. I don't know.
I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no, no. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. Living in my dreams all night. All the problems disappear. She could tell you the things you wanna hear. She could read your mind and that you could believe all the little lies you tell yourself at night. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate, she is unruly. Never seen her like this, didn't think it existed, no truly. Don't get in her way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody.
the process of me getting Outre Penny 26 together and applying her. Yeah, so I told you guys, I tried the original Penny back in like 2014, 2015, and she was very, very popular. But then they released the 26-inch, and I was late to it. I didn't try it until last year. And I think the 26-inch is different from the 20-inch, but I could be... I think the 26-inch is different from the original one because it has like these curly ends to it. But I will have to watch my review from back in the day to see. I'm wearing mine in a color number 2 because that would blends with my natural hair the most. Like I told you guys, my natural hair in the front is straight. It does not curl anymore. So I have heat damage up front. But it still worked though. Because this is, well, my hair does curl a little bit, but it's more like a wave right now. So that little piece right there has a wave to it after I put that extreme wet line. Is that what it's called? Wet line or something? Extreme Pro Expert. That's all I see on here. That's the name of the gel. I'll have it in the description box for you guys. It's the Extreme Styling Gel. And then I topped it with my Style Factor Edge Booster just to kind of set my hair, like my edges, because with the styling gel alone, my edges and stuff won't stay like laid down. They'll start to revert. So that's what I did. And it's just an easy process. Half wigs, they were super popular like 10 years ago or so, or even longer. Like, I was introduced to wigs with half wigs. I started wearing them in 2010, and that's what I used to wear heavily, was half wigs. And then I progressively got into lace wigs and stuff like that. But these days, especially when I'm going out, I like to wear wigs with leave out because you don't have to worry about, you know, tinting it for certain lighting situations, and you don't have to be paranoid because you're using your own hairline. Now, of course, there are limitations with wearing half wigs and, you know, wigs behind your hairline, because if you suffer from hair loss, you probably can't, you know, blend your hair with a wig. But of course, we have lace wigs for that. But for the people who want to wear half wigs, these are very beginner friendly and easy to apply, and they look natural because you have some of your own hair out, and you don't have to have a whole bunch of like hair out. I have my hair in straight back cornrows, so I just have like my edges that are free from the cornrows blended with the wig, and I think it looks really good. It looks very pretty. I think it looks pretty. I think this is like, I have no cons with like the style as far as that goes, but I have had this. I told you guys I've worn this like 3 times, and I do have some tangling. So this is going to tangle up on you. So that's a con, but it's a $15 synthetic wig that is longer. So you should expect that to happen. So I will give this wig, personally, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. I have no issues with it. But if you are somebody, you are going to be upset that your wig is tangling, you probably wouldn't rate it high, but this is my review, okay? And that's not an issue with that. It's not a big issue with me because I know this wig is like $20, and I don't wear the same wig every day, but if I did, I would just like replace it every month and a half for like less than $30, and I think that's really good. So of course, this is giving, you know, vacation summer hair, but I'm rocking it at the end of January as I am filming this, and she's gorgeous, okay? So wear her any time of year, but of course, for spring and summer. Yeah, so if you are interested in Outre Penny 26, I have this linked in the description box for you guys. It probably will be in affiliate links. If you purchase this wig through my affiliate links, it does help support my channel, and I really do appreciate that. So shout out to everybody who continues to support my channel through shopping through my affiliate links. If you don't already, follow me on Amazon, follow my Amazon storefront there. I do have a lot of different categories and idea lists and stuff for you guys to shop, but I am way more active on LTK. I have posted every single day since September 15th, okay? So follow me on LTK. It was formerly known as Like to Know It. It is a shopping app. I post my outfits of the day, my wigs, my home decor, pretty much everything on my LTK. Is not just limited to Amazon stuff. It's tons of different retailers on there. So follow me on LTK. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know some other half wigs that I should try out. Okay, because this one is older and it's stunning. It's really, really pretty. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
Told everyone to be quiet, cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want. Dressed in a gown, everybody's like, why, where you going? Nowhere special, just going to the store. I think I'd have it all, tell you I have even more. Picking a plate, being a plate, she is unruly. Never seen it like this, didn't think it existed, no truth.